Welcome to English House. Let's enjoy the first dialogue between Bea and Eddie.
Home gym problems. Bea goes to Eddie's apartment. There are many boxes on the floor.
Eddie, what is all this?
I'm making a home gym. Look, new weights, a yoga mat, and a jump rope.
But you go to the gym every day.
Yes, but this is for when I don't want to go to the gym.
Eddie, you always want to go to the gym.
That's true. But now I have 2 gyms.
Someone knocks on the door. Eddie opens it. A delivery driver has a very big box.
Hello, I have a big box for Eddie.
My exercise bike, it's here.
Eddie, how much money are you spending?
Don't worry, it's a good price. Only $800.
$800?
Bea walks to Eddie's kitchen and opens his fridge. The fridge is empty.
Eddie, there is no food in your fridge. Not even one egg.
Oh, yeah. I need to buy food.
You have $800 for a bike, but no money for food?
It's okay. I could just order pizza tonight.
You have a home gym and no food. You eat pizza every night. Do you see the problem?
Yes, I see the problem.
Good.
I need a bigger apartment for more fitness equipment.
That is not the problem, Eddie.